in today's video, I go show now one legit website when you say if you use make cool dollars from the comfort of your home. But don't be dollars when we say you go use change your life or buy more to build house. No, don't be that kind of money. Now the kind of money when we say you 50 years they see the list. When we say you know go gas to distress yourself. You don't understand? But with all of that being said, make I first of all introduce myself. My name is Collins King. And what I do for this channel be say I dey go get coordinated ogbonge updates on anything we concern entrepreneurship, side hustle, online money, all those kind of updates. Me now go vet them out. I go do the research for now. I go do the heavy lifting. Then I go carry the end product, come share with my viewers. So that as I see bread, they bake. Everybody self they see bread. You don't understand? Because bros, I seen be now for this Nigeria. Hard. Even people self we do obodo igbo. Themselves they collect. So the best thing we fit do for each other now be say we fit just be our brother's keeper. You don't understand? So with all of that being said now, make me mute enter laptop. Make I give you the updates. Hey, I beg, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Turn on the post notification because it's not on giving now. Now the sauce. You don't understand? The egg sauce. So subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification. Make we enter laptop. So first of all, this is not the name of the website. Free cash. What the name of the website says get as a view, but it's legit, it's vetted. You don't understand? Because we all know see free cash only exists, but this one the work is vetted. So what you would do now is say you could just come here, click on sign up. No, you will first come here, put your email address, put your password, then click on I agree to privacy policy and terms of service. You don't understand? Then you go click on sign up. Or you should still use your Google account and sign up for this website. So once you don't sign up now, it will carry you come your own account, your own profile. You understand? So once you don't come your profile now, they get multiple gigs we be say that they offer for this platform. You don't understand? And gigs like they get gigs like, so if you all see those gigs now, you come under where you see offer for here. You understand? You will click on, you know, see apps, see deposit, see purchase, see quiz, see casino, see others, see games. Games are the one you say I don't check. We get plenty money. So now I get all that games. So once you don't come on that games, come this place first of all to ensure say all these things now don't they check. Because like this now, me I don't click on, I don't top one of them on so that I feel they make money anytime from my phone or desktop or you know iOS or Android. You work on either of them. So like this now, if you want to play game so that you will feel the cash out, what you would just do be say you will click on any of the games where you want play, then follow the instruction where they give you, then afterwards you will get cash out. So for instance now, make we use Color Water. So make we use Board King for instance. So once you click on Board Kings now, what you go stop say you see say it don't open now. Now it's open, right? And then here is the description. Here's like the description. Board Kings is the ultimate in online fun games. You understand? Read all these ones. The description with that. Then the reward now say, you don't understand? The reward now say they go run you $7.50. The step now say install Board Kings and reach level 42 within 12 days. So once you don't complete level 42 now within 12 days, they go run you your $50, your $7.50. About $7 now, bros. Dollars now 1,000 plus. So you get like this $7 now, at least 7,000 plus. You don't understand? I told my brother now, wish if you add this 7,000 now plus, this to it still day your bank account or something. So if you run this one, another thing I want to share with you, let me see how you fit play the game now. Be see you go come this place with the right N. Once you click on the N now, you will come out this QR code. So you can use Apple, that's iPhone. You will just scan the QR code, then it will bring out the game. You will start to play the game for your phone. Or if this game serve the Apple Store, if you just download the game, start playing for your phone. Once you don't reach that level 42 within 12 days, they will run you, they will credit you that $7.50. You don't understand? And then if you use what's it called? Android, get what you call QR scanner. You just go to your Play Store, type in QR scanner, you download QR scanner, then you use it to scan this. Once you scan this out, you direct you, like you bring out the game, and then you can start playing the game. You get hey. And so this one now they take work. So if you still do another example now for the game, make I use Prison Escape for instance now. See this Prison Escape now, they say play and complete tasks within 7 days. New users only. So once you don't play this game now, don't complete the tasks now within 7 days. Say for instance now you collect 2,000 coins. Once you collect your 2,000 coins, they will run you your 7 cents. Once you collect 5,000 coins, they will run you 18 cents. Once you collect 10,000 coins, they will run you 45 cents. Like that. Once you collect 400,000 coins, they will run you 13 cents. You don't understand, bros? Money choke. But as I tell now, not be money maybe say you will use build a house or buy a car. The money maybe say you will still use the CD list. Or how you get this $16 now? You don't understand? That's something. Yeah. So and all these things now patience, not be something maybe say all this thing maybe say you go see people say they make $10, $20. It's true, it work. But you guys get patience with yourself. You guys still put in the work. Because my brother, there's nothing for a lazy man. Hey, so we could go another gig now. Make we do it like which one now? Make we do quiz or apps. No, make we do apps. We could do apps. So these apps now, how you click on apps now. Let's see, for instance, OctaFX. OctaFX, I don't really get advertised everywhere. So once you click on OctaFX now, here's the description. Get the app and use it for a few minutes. Boss, not just the tax, but that once you get the app, use it for a few minutes, they go run you your 18 cents very fast. And at the same way we were saying, if you use start to play the game, or start to use the app, scan the QR code, and then everything is good to go. You get, and then now so the thing they build. So what I would suggest you guys do now is you just go out and check. You just check this out for yourself. You get what I'm trying to say? Explore the options, bro. Like money choke, bro. We say if you make for you, just you just guys put in the work. You get see quiz, see casino, see others, see purchase. Make I see waiting this casino game. We talk about self. This casino, like say you go to play casino game. I don't know, but on network one they do me dirty now. Network one they do me dirty. No, casino I need plenty. Chase this one Vegas casino $25. Joy, make I see the description. Welcome to the best casino slot. Play our many slot machines and have Vegas style fun. So make I see the tax first of all. First time users reach different level and complete various events to earn rewards. Confirm instantly. Gross $25. Complete level 15, they will run you 8 cents. So now if we just use the run this one now to cash out on a steady basis. Bros, this is another thing that I was shown and I see how to take cash out. Now we have problem for this small, but we will sort them out. It's not that big of a deal, but so the only option now within work now for Nigeria that I'm talking to you now is Bitcoin. You get PayPal get issue from Nigeria for now, but guys I take set up that paper, and guys I take run that paper will be say it will work for me. And if you now want make I show now how to take set up your PayPal now for Nigeria, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will make a different video on how to take set up PayPal for now if you did Nigeria. But other than that, waiting if you use cash out now that Bitcoin. So once you don't get, make I assume say now for instance and get like $10 now, you don't make like $10, or you don't decide say okay you will withdraw your $10. So you could just put in your Bitcoin address. And also if you don't know how to like create Bitcoin account, still let me know in the description box below. I will do complete tutorial on how to create Bitcoin account so that if you use cash out your money you get. So you put in your Bitcoin address, then put in the amount you want to withdraw. If not like $5 and like $10 which you want to withdraw. Once you put it in, you click on your withdrawal, and then your money will instantly reflect for your Bitcoin wallet. So that's how it works with the withdrawal. You see, say PayPal, they say PayPal is not currently available in Nigeria, but you get us, I will take run. No worry, once when I be interested, just let me know. I will run the video for now on how to set up your PayPal account. You get ahead, my people. So this are the updates where I carry come for now. You get. So if you enjoy this video, I beg, do me one favor. Like this video so it will reach YouTube here, say your boy they perform, he drop the source one, and then subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you could get notified when I drop new content like this. With all of that being said, me now, I will see you now for my next video. I'm out.